Are you looking for the best car wax buffers and polishers? In-car detailing, paint restoration, and swirls removal increasingly rely on dedicated buffers and polishers to deliver professional-grade results at home. This category spans corded and cordless designs, rotary versus orbital motion, and a broad spectrum of power, speed ranges, and accessory ecosystems. The 5 models covered here sit in a tight price band, $45.89 to $55.99, and feature a mix of cordless portability and traditional corded robustness.
Product number 1. Geve Life Buffer Polisher. Overview. The Geve Life model packs a 1600-watt corded power plant with a 7-speed range from 1000 to 3500 RPM and offers a detachable D handle plus a side handle for versatile grip options. It ships with a broad pad assortment and a protective build that emphasizes durability and heat resistance. The 2-year warranty adds peace of mind for longer-term ownership, and the ABS/plastic housing keeps weight reasonable while maintaining rigidity. Deeper analysis. With a corded design and a 1600-watt motor, it excels at removing heavy oxidation and deep swirls when paired with the appropriate wool or foam pads. The 7-speed selection is well sorted for delicate polishing at lower RPMs and aggressive compound action at higher settings. However, the absence of a cordless option makes it less convenient for remote or detailing scenarios, and the stated 3500 RPM maximum should be moderated by pad choice and user technique to avoid swirl amplification on soft paints. Pad compatibility is strong for M14 discs, but note the product specifies not compatible with 5/8-11 caliber discs, which is a consideration for specialty pads. Pros: strong 1600-watt motor with steady power. 7-speed range provides versatile polishing control. Detachable D handle plus side handle for ergonomic versatility. Broad pad and accessory inclusion. 2-year warranty. Cons: corded design limits portability. Upper RPM can overwhelm soft paints if used with aggressive pads. M14 discs only, not 5/8-11.
Product number 2. Protmex Cordless Car Buffer. Overview. The Protmex kit is a cordless 21V solution with dual 2000 mAh batteries and a diverse attachment pack, including 3 sponge pads, 3 wave pads, 2 wool discs, and several cloth and sanding accessories. It emphasizes portability and runtime continuity, powered by a copper motor designed for stable operation and heat-aware performance. With a 6-speed range, 2800 to 5500 RPM, it covers gentle finishing to defect removal, balancing aggression with control in a compact 3.3-pound package. Deeper analysis. The dual battery design is a standout for uninterrupted sessions, and the 5500 RPM top end offers strong cut when used with wool pads while still maintaining manageable heat when complemented by the copper motor's efficiency. Weight distribution remains favorable for extended use, and the included storage bag and charger enhance value. On the downside, some users may encounter occasional speed-to-load inconsistencies if batteries aren't fully charged, and the overall kit weight rises with pads, so practice with deliberate pressure is advised to avoid pad flex at high RPM. The 12-month warranty provides standard coverage for components and batteries. Pros: dual 21V batteries enable uninterrupted use. 6 speeds cover a wide polishing range. Lightweight at 3.3 pounds, including batteries. Rich accessory kit for multiple surfaces. Copper motor for stable temperature control. Cons: potential speed-to-load inconsistencies if battery isn't fully charged. Charger and battery management may require careful monitoring. A 12-month warranty may be shorter than some competitors.
Product number 3. Cordless Car Buffer Polisher. Overview. This is a blue variant of the Protmex cordless polisher, carrying the same dual battery 21V chassis and an identical 6-speed range, 2800 to 5500 RPM. It ships with a broad 18-piece attachment set and emphasizes a balanced, low-weight profile making it approachable for beginners while still capable of mid-level detailing work. The 6.0-inch pad footprint aligns well with typical hobbyist projects and smaller vehicle panels. Deeper analysis. The combination of 2 batteries and a 5.5K RPM ceiling yields strong performance for a cordless tool in this price band, particularly for swirl removal on factory clear coats and mid-level scratches when using wool or heavy-cut foam. The ergonomic advantages of a 3.3-pound body persist, though the dual battery format can lead to a lengthy charge cycle if the batteries are not optimized with a fast charger. Pad range and included sanding discs support multi-surface use, but the missing LED display, in comparison to some competitors, can make battery state monitoring less intuitive during longer sessions. Pros: strong cordless performance with dual batteries. Wide attachment set enables versatile use. Low weight and balanced feel. Decent 6-speed range for most detailing tasks. Good value for the kit size. Cons: no LED display for real-time battery readout, longer charge times if fast charger isn't used. Some users may outgrow the 6-inch pad footprint on larger panels.
Product number 4. Cordless Car Buffer Polisher. The Niysken Cordless Polisher features a modern LED display for at-a-glance speed and battery status, a random orbital motion with an 8mm orbit, and a 6-speed control range, 2800 to 5800 RPM. At 3.3 pounds, it's among the lightest options in this set, and the 18-piece attachment kit broadens its applicability from wax polishing to light scratch removal across multiple surfaces. The autofocus on overheat protection helps guard against sustained high-speed runs. Deeper analysis. The LED display is a practical touch for visibility in dim garages, and the higher top speed supports more aggressive finishing when paired with appropriate pads. However, higher speeds can come with more noise and potential heat buildup, so users should monitor usage time and cooldown intervals. The dual 21V batteries provide solid runtime, but given the device's higher RPM ceiling, proper technique and light pressed pressure are crucial to avoid pad wear or paint damage on softer coatings. The system's 6-inch pad footprint aligns with the rest of the cohort, enabling compatibility with common polisher pads. Pros: LED display for speed and battery readout. Lightweight at 3.3 pounds with dual batteries. 8mm random orbital motion promotes swirl-free results. Comprehensive 18-piece accessory kit. Overheat protection for longer sessions. Cons: higher top RPM may require more technique control. Some users may prefer more battery capacity for extended sessions. Price is at the top end of the group.
Product number 5. LDHT OPI Buffer Polisher. Overview. This LDHT OPI model offers a 1600-watt motor and a 7-speed range, 1000 to 3500 RPM, with a detachable handle configuration. It ships with a pad assortment designed for multi-surface use, including wool, yellow or red polishing pads, and green or blue finishing pads, and emphasizes versatility across automotive and non-automotive tasks. The corded design keeps weight down while ensuring consistent power, and the included caution about overheating and cooldown is a practical reminder for long sessions. Deeper analysis. The 7-inch by 6-inch interchangeable pad gives a broad pad footprint for different panels, though the absence of a quick change guard or vacuum port means more dongles and steps for professional-level policing of dust. Pad variety is a strong point, enabling aggressive defect removal, glow enhancement, and swirl minimization. The instruction to avoid overloading the head and cool down after 15 minutes is a prudent operational guideline to protect both motor and paint on extended sessions. The weight of 4.57 pounds keeps it manageable, but the corded power setup reduces flexibility for remote jobs. Pros: strong 1600-watt motor with broad speed range. 7 pad types included for diverse tasks. Detachable handle options for ergonomics. Solid corded reliability and heat management guidance. Good value given included accessories. Cons: corded operation limits mobility. No LED display or battery status readout. Pad compatibility notes 7-inch by 6-inch may require users to manage multiple disks.